we had a lot of hands-on experience, and we were also able to go to an orphanage and visit children there, play with them, bring them milk so they can eat, and bring them toys so they can play. Overall, I had a wonderful time here. I learned so much, and I would encourage anyone who's interested in pursuing medicine or is already certain about going into medicine, because you also see the different fields within medicine. So if you're interested, I strongly encourage this program because you'll have tons of fun and learn so much.
I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they forgive